To begin setting up the tension fabric display, remove the display hardware from the bag and arrange the pieces on the ground. First, connect the 3-part poles which have the bungee cord inside. Next, connect the outer frame together by matching up the pole numbers. Insert the poles and lock them into place with the buttons. Assemble the long, thin 3-part pole and insert the pole into the center holes in the top and the bottom of the display frame. Using 2 people, gently slide the banner over the hardware frame. The display is reversible and the middle curve can face inward or outward. Stretch the fabric across the edge of the bars so the zipper can be easily closed. Pinch the fabric together as you go along to make zipping easier. Finally, stand up your display and it is all ready to go.